And I think for this endeavor, I'm gonna need an iced coffee. All right, y'all, today is the day I am cleaning my whole entire apartment. Well, probably today and tomorrow, and depends. I got a lot to clean. It's fine. I'll give you a quick pan of my living room and dining room and kitchen so you can see how awful it is, but don't focus on it too closely, okay? We're all messy people. Don't judge me. Think I'm first gonna start in the kitchen, which usually is a nightmare. Let's do this. Okay, I spared you most of the actual dish washing process because I feel like I've washed a lot of dishes on my channel, but here is our end result of the kitchen so far. Chai, you want to be in this? Making noises? I think now I'm going to try and tackle this corner, which is just kind of like our random alcohol corner. I have like little pony bottles from Christmas and stuff, so we're gonna work on organizing this.
That is their shtick for years.
Chai, I was gonna use that box. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to kick you out. I'm sorry. All right, I'm gonna try and keep this as clear as possible. I left my wine and there's like 2 drops of this vodka, so it can stay on the counter. That's fine. I think next I'm gonna try and tackle our collection of bags here. It is just, it's getting a little ridiculous. This is just a bag of IKEA bags. Okay, so I left our most used bags here, and then all of the bigger bags that we don't use as often, I just put in these 2 bags. Is this organization? I don't really know, but at least this looks a little bit better. Chai has found a toy. Okay, next we're gonna tackle this dining room space. And yeah, it looks really bad on here. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is the recycling because it has just gotten way out of hand. you doing, Earl? All right, there she is. Recycle Mountain. Ah, we love finding dead bugs around our house. So my friend asked me to be her bridesmaid, yay! But what do I do with like the bridesmaid gift? Like the box is so cute, but do I just throw it away? Or like, I don't know. I got wine, that can go in the kitchen. I guess my wine cup can go in the kitchen as well. But I'm not gonna use it yet. I don't know, I kind of just wanna like leave it all compact, but then where do I put it? I don't know. Do you guys have like struggle with these things too? Like, I don't live in a big house where I can just put random stuff. I live in a tiny apartment, so I just want to keep it all together and in this cute little box. Maybe I just will. Like, look, a little scrunchie that says like, I can't tie the knot without you. And like, it's so cute. I don't know. There, I did it. It's gone. Just kidding, it still lives on the dining room table. Alright, so this area is still kind of a disaster, but at least now it's an organized disaster. Okay, I've been cleaning for about 3 hours, I think. Maybe, yeah. I just fed the girls dinner and I think now it's time for me to get some dinner. I am starving. Okay, hey y'all, it is day 2 of the cleaning spree. I'm sorry it's gonna be so dark in here. It's Armageddon outside right now because it's Florida summer and it thunderstorms every single day. But I need to get this done. I said I was gonna clean the whole house, so I'm doing it. Yesterday I got a little distracted because I started playing the Nancy Drew computer game. I don't know if y'all have ever played them, but they are so fun. It's just a point and click computer game where there's like lots of puzzles and there's a mystery and you have to figure out who done it. And I've been obsessed with it lately. It's taking up all of my free time, but I'm gonna refrain. We gotta clean the house. Let go. And that is the living room done. Look at my beautiful kitchen too. Oh, so clean. Oh, ignore this. Just kidding. Now it's so clean. Look at this. Look at this beautifulness. All right, now I'm gonna do my bathroom, which quite honestly, the shower does need like the tile, the grout scrubbed with bleach, but I'm just not up for that today. So what I am gonna do is change our shower curtain liner. I got us a brand new one. The cats, for some reason, love to chew it, so they always get holes in them. So I do replace it quite often. And we have the vent in there that, you know, keeps the bathroom dry. And it is crazy dusty. Not sure if we've ever dusted it, but I got a little duster and we're gonna do it today. So this is the duster I got. It's a, you know, Walmart brand of a Swiffer. Let's see if I can set it up. All right, we're gonna try it out right here. It looks like this has been dusted, but some areas have not been. There's Aang and Momo and Oppo and Zuko and Iroh. Oh, boys. Okay, dusting. Oh yeah, it works. Momo. It's a duster. Yay. Here it is, our bathroom vent. Oh, doesn't that look so appetizing? Chai is here to help. Okay, I was afraid to take the whole cover off because we don't own this place, and I didn't want to take it off without being able to put it back in. But I think I did pretty good. I got a lot of dust. There's still a lot left, but I got a good amount of dust, I hope. All right, I'm calling it a day. Whew. I did not do our spare bedroom because it is a nightmare, and that'll have to be a whole separate endeavor. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and maybe I'll make another video. Okay, bye y'all.